to give one's authority to another. प्रतिनिधि, delegate, delegate. Slow and careful movement or thought, सोच समझकर. Deliberation, deliberati, deliberation. An omission of duty, delinquency, delinquency, delinquency. कर्तव्य में चूक. A young person tending to commit crime, particularly minor crime, मतलब छोटे छोटे क्राइम, अपराधी. Delinquent, delinquent. Become liquid typically during decomposition. Delinquence, deliquesce, delinquence, पिघलना यानी गलना. A disturbed state of mind caused by an illness, ज्वर में उत्पन्न मस्तिष्क विभ्रम. Delirium, delirium, delirium. A political leader appealing to popular desires and prejudices. Demagogue, demagogue, जनोत्तेजक नेता, demagogue है. A system of government in which all the people of a country can vote to elect their representative. जनतंत्र, democracy, democracy, democracy. The state of population and its dynamics. Demography, जनसांख्यिकी, demography. Alliance home, den, den मतलब मांद, मतलब शेर जहाँ रहता है, den उसको कहते हैं, den से मांद. Take away or alter the natural qualities of. Denature, denature, denature. विकृत करना. Criticize unfairly. Denigrate, 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 बदनाम करना. Portray in words, depict, 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 शब्दों में वर्णन करना. Person who gives written testimony for use in a law court. Deponent, 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 गवाह. Morally corrupt, depraved, 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 भ्रष्ट, भ्रष्ट है वो, उसको कहते हैं depraved. To feel and express strong disapproval, depreciate, deprecate, deprecate, विरोध करना. To become less valuable over a period of time, depreciate, मूल्य कम करना, depreciate, मूल्य कम करना. Unable to think clearly because of a mental illness, deranged, 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 विक्षिप्त, पागल. A persons without a home, a job or property, derelict, आवारा व्यक्ति. Failing to discharge one's duty, dereliction, कर्तव्य का त्याग. Laugh at something in a cruel way, deride, deride, उपहास करना. A doctor who studies and treats skin diseases, dermatologist, त्वचा विशेषज्ञ. The scientific study of skin diseases, dermatology, 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 त्वचा विज्ञान. The abandonment of one's country or cause, desertion, desertion, परित्याग. A person without money, food and other things necessary for life, destitute, 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 बदहाली. One who investigates and solves crimes, detective, 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 जासूस. The action of discouraging an action or event through instilling doubts or fear of the consequences. Deterrence, 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 रुकावट डालना. Showing a skillful use of underhand tactics to achieve goals. Devious, 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 धूर्त. Showing a skillful use of abandoned tactics to achieve goals. Devious, धूर्त. Skillful with your hand, dexterous, निपुण. Determine the nature of the disease, diagnose, 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 रोग पहचानना. The process of deciding the nature of a disease by examination, diagnosis, 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 रोग की पहचान. A particular from a language which is peculiar to a specific region. Dialect, dialect, बोली. Bitter and violent attack in words. Diatribe, diatribe, diatribe. Achep, diatribe. Bitter and violent attack in words. Diatribe, achep. A ruler with total power over country, typically one who has obtained control by force. Dictator, Tanasah. A ruler with total power over a country, typically one who has obtained control by force. Dictator, Tanasah. Giving orders in a manner that permits no refusal. Dictatorial, Tanasahi. A book giving meaning of various words. Dictionary, Sabdakos. Spread over a wide area or between a large number of people. Diffuse, 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 फैला हुआ. A situation requiring a choice between equally undesirable alternatives and confusions. Dilemma, 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 duvidha. A dabbler in the art and literature. Dilettrate, dilettante. Dilettante, मस्त मौला है जो. A dabbler in the art and literature. Dilettante, 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 मस्त मौला. Showing care and efforts in work duties. Diligent, मेहनती. Showing care and efforts in your work duties. Diligent, मेहनती. Showing care and efforts in your work duties. Diligent, मेहनती. Irresistible craving for alcoholic drinks. Dipsomania, 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 शराब की लत. A book of names and addresses. Directory. A book of names and addresses. डायरेक्टरी, नाम और पते की पुस्तक, वो डायरेक्टरी कहलाती है. A song sung in the past at a funeral or for a dead person. Dirge, 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 शोक गीत. A song sung in the past at a funeral or for a dead person. Dirge, 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 शोक गीत. An act that has disastrous consequences. Disaster, आपदा. A heavy round plate of metal thrown by an athlete. Discus, discus, चक्का फेंक वाली प्रतियोगिता. A heavy round plate of metal thrown by an athlete. Discus, चक्का फेंक प्रतियोगिता. The state of being deprived of a right or privilege, especially in the right to vote. Disenfranchisement, यानी मताधिकार से वंचित कर देना, यानी कि वोट डालने वाला उनको वंचित कर देना जो वोट न डाल सके. An act that makes feel morally bad or ashamed. Disgraceful, शर्मनाक. An act that makes feel morally bad or ashamed. Disgraceful, शर्मनाक. Change the appearance to disuse or to hide the identity. Disguise, 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 भेष बदलना. Break up into small parts as the result of impact or decay. Disintegrate, disintegrate, विघटित हो जाना. Disintegrate, causing a mood of gloom and depression. Dismal, निराशापूर्ण. dismal, dismal, निराशापूर्ण. दोस्तों अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और अपने दोस्तों तक ज़रूर पहुंचा देना. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.